Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our countertop refrigerated merchandiser units. The brand on this company brand is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure the unit out for you. I'll measure exterior measurements. I'll also measure the inside for you. Starting with the length, you're looking at a total of 20 inches. Front to back, total of 20 inches. And the overall height for this refrigerator is 33 inches high, 33. Okay, so you have the glass door on the front. We have our banner here on the top that has lighting. Okay, also I'm going to go ahead and open this up and show you the inside. You do have an automatic closing door for this unit. Okay, and if we go ahead and open up the inside, you can see that it has shelving on the inside. You have 2 shelves provided for this unit. Inside measurements, front to back, you're going to be looking at a total of 14 inches. Left to right, you're looking at a total of 17 inches. And the overall height will be a total of 20 inches. Okay, the unit does have a drain on the inside. Also, it has a fan for the cooling on the inside. And the temperature controls are also going to be located on the inside. Okay, lastly, I'm going to go ahead and turn the unit and show you the back. On the back, we have our standard plug, US plug. Also in the back, we have a sticker with all the specs regarding this unit, as well as certification. Okay, so the unit is certified by the health department, and you can locate that on the back. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration on this countertop refrigerated display. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.